Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting on at 70 fuse. Then let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click and hold power button and volume up button at the time and you will see click on restart. After click on restart, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see second option is connected devices. Click on connected devices. After click on connected devices, click on connection and preference and click on Bluetooth and turn on Bluetooth mode and turn off Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode. Go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app and search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth cutting on at 70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.